In this video, I will show you how to put 2 or more pictures into your WhatsApp status. Open up your WhatsApp. And the next thing you want to do, is to go ahead and click on status, click on update. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here and the camera. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on layout. And the next thing you want to do is to select the number of pictures you want to add. The next thing you want to do is to click on this check mark right here. And here you go. You have different layouts right here. There is one of these, another one here, another one here, another one here, and another one here. Everything depends on the number of pictures you choose that will determine a layout that will work for your template. This is another one here, and this is another one right here. So I'm going to go with this template right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on done. So at this point here, you can add your sound. So for that, go ahead and click on this icon. Then add your sound. Then add your sound. Click on this check mark. Then you are done. For you to remove the watermark, click on here to disable the watermark. And the watermark has been removed. Then go ahead and hit on done, just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on here to send to your status. And you are done. So right here, you have the status being updated as the colleague right here. It's that simple, just like so. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.